What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the channel, Appalachian Smoke Wagon. I really appreciate you checking out the content. If you like it, then hit the subscribe button and check out something else from the library. Today we're going to talk about the drones over New Jersey and Texas and Oregon and popping up everywhere. What's going on? What's up with that? What is it? What do you guys think it is? Let me know in the comments. We're going to talk about a few things that I think it might be. Is it aliens? Dun, dun, dun. I don't think it's aliens. And I don't think it's foreign. If it was foreign over our airspace, I think we would have done shot them down. Then you got officials from New Jersey coming out saying if they crash, that the fire department has to wear the protective suits to go clean it up. You know what I mean? Like, I don't understand so much. Or is it look over here while we're doing something over here? Or I just don't know. There's a few things. Are they putting the drones in the air and we're going to continue to see more and more and more? And then when the inauguration comes around, they're going to do some crazy stuff. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's just wild. Like, I travel a lot for work, and everywhere I was at today, that's all you heard anyone talking about was drones, the drones, aliens. It's wild. It's really crazy. I lean more towards they're getting ready for inauguration. Something crazy is going to happen. And they're going to try to implement martial law and have like a network of drones to try to keep everybody in line. That's what I think. That's with my tinfoil hat on. I don't know. I'm really not that educated on the situation. I just know a few things I've watched on YouTube and things I've talked about with other people. So I really don't know. And if you know more about this than me, then let me know in the comments. I can't wait to read through these comments. I'm afraid we're going to see an attack in the U.S. that is going to be unlike anything we've ever seen really soon. We've got all these sleeper cells that have come through the border that are just waiting to be activated. I don't know when that's going to happen. I don't know if these drones have anything to do with that. I don't know. I don't know if it's the government saying, look, but it's all you see on mainstream, the mainstream media, social media. That's all you see. Like, I flip through my feed and 3 videos will be drones. There'll be one of something else, 3 more drones. It's really wild how this has been pushed out and how the government's come out and like, we don't know. I even seen one official say that the people in New Jersey are crazy. They're not even drones. So the footage I've seen, they look like drones. And you got eyewitness accounts saying they're bigger than SUVs. And then the fire department being ordered, if they got to clean up any crash drones, to where the hazardous material suits and masks and all the crazy. Is it propaganda? Are they trying to scare the citizens? Are they making us look over here why really something else is going on over here? The government's really good at doing that. Is it an attack? I don't know. I'm just putting this video out to try to get some conversation going, to maybe let me know what you guys think, because like I said, I'm not educated enough on this to really know. And it's really interesting to me, really interesting. So yeah, there's a couple more points I wanted to make. I'm trying to think of them. I should have made me a little cheat sheet to look at. I can't remember, but anyways, just the government, most of them denying it, and then they can't tell us if it's a threat. If it's a threat to national security, like, I don't know. I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'm keeping my stuff ready. My bags are ready. My weapons are ready. Like, and I think everybody else should do that. If you're not in shape, you should probably get in shape, because I feel like some crazy stuff is about to happen in America. You got the whole World War III thing. You got the whole inauguration. The deep state, they don't want to give up power. I know Trump won the election, but are they going to let him really take power? I don't know. And then all these drones pop up right before Christmas, the biggest holiday in America. And then that's just days away from the inauguration. I mean, are they setting something up? I don't know, but I'm curious to know what you guys think. I haven't really studied much into this. If you guys know more about it or have seen more footage on this stuff, then let me know in the comments. And let me know what your opinion is. I think it's really, the timing of it is crazy. After they've been putting all this alien stuff out for years now, and then a lot of people that I talk to every day, they're like, they think it's aliens. I don't think it's aliens. I think it's our government messing with us, and maybe gonna try to do something crazy either on the holiday or the inauguration, or I don't know, but like I said, it's very, very interesting, and I just want to know what you guys think. Leave me some comments. Let's get a conversation going in the comments over this, because I'm really curious what you guys think. I really don't know what opinion I have. I have a few things in my head that I just told you guys. So that's about it. I just wanted to talk about the crazy drone situation we have in America right now. And I hear they've had sightings over Oregon, California, Texas, and the whole New Jersey debacle that's all over mainstream media and the news. So I think we're going to see more of them popping up. Are they going to surround the United States? I even seen an old tweet, not real old, but Elon Musk put out that we'll see, I'm not going to quote it because I can't remember exactly what it said, but we're going to see super crazy drone wars in the future. Well, we're in the future. The technology we see, they have technology way, way more advanced than we even know of. So what's going to happen? When are the sleeper cells going to get activated? What's going to happen with these drones? Is the elite deep state going to hand over power at the inauguration? What's going on? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. But anyways, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Stay tuned for more content, more gun content coming soon. And if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. And until next time, I'll catch you guys later.